World Mental Health Day. The World Mental Health Day is observed on 10th October every year, with the overall objective of raising awareness of mental health issues around the world and mobilizing efforts in support of mental health. The day provides an opportunity for all stakeholders working on mental health issues to talk about their work and what more needs to be done to make mental health care a reality for a people worldwide. This year's World Mental Health Day on 10th October comes at the time when our daily lives have changed considerably as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. The past months have brought many challenges for healthcare workers, providing care in difficult circumstances, going to work fearful of bringing COVID-19 home with them. For students, adapting to taking classes from home with little contact with teachers and friends and anxious about their future. For workers whose livelihood are threatened, for the vast number of people caught in poverty or in fragile humanitarian settings with extremely limited protection from COVID-19, and for people with mental health conditions, many experiencing even greater social isolation than before. And this is to say nothing of managing the grief of losing a loved one, sometimes without being able to say goodbye. Given past experience of emergencies, it is expected that the need for mental health and psychological support will substantially increase in coming months and years. Investment in mental health programs at the national and international levels, which have already suffered from years of chronic underfunding, is now more important than it has ever been. This is why the goal of this year's World Mental Health Day campaign is increased investment in mental health. Ways to improve our mental health. It's important to take care of yourself and get the most from life. Talk about your feelings. Talking about your feelings can help you stay in good mental health and deal with times when you feel troubled. Keep active. Regular exercise can boost your self-esteem and can help you concentrate, sleep and feel better. Exercise keeps the brain and your other vital organs healthy and is also a significant benefit towards improving your mental health. Eat well. Your brain needs a mix of nutrients in order to stay healthy and function well. Just like the other organs in our body, a diet that's good for your physical health is also good for your mental health. Drink sensibly. We often drink alcohol to change our mood. Some people drink to deal with fear or loneliness, but the effect is only temporary. When the drink wears off, you feel worse because of the way the alcohol has affected your brain and the rest of your body. Drinking is not a good way to manage difficult feelings. Keep in touch. There is nothing better than catching up with someone face to face, but that's not always possible. You can also give them a call, drop them a note, or chat to them online instead. Keeping the lines of communication open is good for you.